Here is the English translation of the passage, capturing its iconic tone and poetic rhythm. How can you buy or sell the sky, the warmth of the land? A letter written by Native American Chief Seattle to the United States government, 1852. The president in Washington sent word that he wishes to buy our land. But how can you buy or sell the sky, the land? The idea is strange to us. If we do not own the freshness of the air and the sparkle of the water, how can you buy them? Every part of this earth is sacred to my people. Every shining pine needle, every sandy shore, the mist in the dark woods, every clearing, and every humming insect are holy in the memory and experience of my people. Translation of the Declaration, speech delivered by Chief Seattle, the famous Native American chief. We know the sap which courses through the trees as we know the blood that courses through our veins. We are part of the earth and it is part of us. The perfume flowers are our sisters. The bear, the deer, the great eagle, these are our brothers. The rocky crests, the juices in the meadows, the body heat of the pony, and man, all belong to the same family. The shining water that moves in the streams and rivers is not just water, but the blood of our ancestors. If we sell you our land, you must remember that it is sacred. The ghostly reflection in the clear waters of the lakes tells of events and memories in the life of my people. The murmur of the water is the voice of my father's father. The rivers are our brothers, they quench our thirst. The rivers carry our canoes and feed our children. You must show the rivers the kindness you would show any brother. If we sell you our land, remember that the air is precious to us, that the air shares its spirit with all the life it supports. The wind that gave our grandfather his first breath also receives his last sigh, and the wind must also give our children the spirit of life. So, after we sell you our land, you must keep it apart and sacred, as a place where men can go to taste the wind that is sweetened by the meadow flowers. Will you teach your children what we have taught ours, that the earth is our mother? Whatever befalls the earth befalls the sons of the earth. This we know, the earth does not belong to man, man belongs to the earth. All things are connected, like the blood which unites one family. Man did not weave the web of life, he is merely a strand in it. Whatever he does to the web, he does to himself. One thing we know, our God is the same God. The earth is precious to him. To harm the earth is to heap contempt on its creator. Your destiny is a mystery to us. What will happen when the buffalo are all slaughtered? The wild horses tamed? What will happen when the secret corners of the forest are heavy with the scent of many men, and the view of the ripe hills is blotted by tucking wires? Where is the thicket? Gone. Where is the eagle? Gone. And what is it to say goodbye to the swift pony and the hunt? The end of living and the beginning of survival. When the last red man has vanished with his wilderness, and his memory is only the shadow of a cloud moving across the prairie, will these shores and forests still be he? Will any of the spirit of my people remain? We love this earth as a newborn loves his mother's heartbeat. So, if we sell you our land, Love it as we've loved it. Care for it as we've cared for it. Hold in your mind the memory of the land as it is when you take it. Preserve it for your children, and love it as God loves us all. You are a part of this land, just as we are. This earth is precious to us, and it is precious to you too. One thing we know, there is only one God, and there is only one mankind. Neither the white man nor the red man should be divided. We are brothers after all.